Find something new every day on this boat, huh? I'm Holly, that's Ray, and this is our home, Sabado. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. We're just coming off an overnight sail and we should be pulling into Newport, Rhode Island in a bit. All right, we got onto our mooring ball and I'm just amazed at all the boat traffic there is here. Laundry day. Flat-X Beauty! Yeah, it's got the little clover on it. The lovely Lisa!
I love it.
That's adorable. $5 for a wash and $4 for a dry? That's insane. 20 bucks later. So our fenders have been naked since we left Georgia because we let them dangle in the water for a little bit too long and the covers grew an entire ecosystem. So I threw them out. It was kind of a long time coming though because the drawstring closures at the top were falling apart, and so the covers would slip down the fender and you had to go yank them up every single day. But I went online to order replacements and it was gonna cost like $300. So instead, I spent $60 on some sweatpants and I'm gonna just try and make my own. I probably should have taken some measurements before I ordered these, but we're just gonna wing it and see how it goes. Okay, I'm pretty confident on these small ones, but I'm not so sure about the bigger ones. We'll see how it goes. These are pretty snug. Isn't gonna work. Nope. They're not wide enough.
Let's see. Oh man, I bet we can get those on there.
I'm really trying.
Let's see. I think we get those. I need to get this this back together before I forget how this
Okay,
goes together.
don't worry, there's gonna be plenty more to do. I'll show you what I'm working with. The fabric just isn't as stretchy as I thought it would be. I feel like I've made quite a bit of progress, but I'm gonna stop because I've given myself rug burns on my knuckles. So I don't know if this project's worth it. Okay, Ray was able to get it all the way on, but it's just too short. These are men's extra large sweats with a long inseam, so I'm not really sure where I went wrong here, but I wanted to be able to sew or zip tie them closed at the top, and I can't. And these are our shortest fenders, so I think it's safe to say this did not work out. Anyway, it looks like it's about to rain, so it's time to switch to an indoor project. What's going on in here?
I am sealing up the shower where, for whatever reason, the factory didn't include any sealer. And they have these drain holes on both sides, and it just drains right into the bilge.
That's our mystery fresh water in the bilge?
Fresh. Yeah, I'd prefer to have a dry bilge, so we're gonna...
What are you putting in there?
Just some silicone.
I've got this right above your head, be careful.
It's hard to do on a moving boat. At least make it look neat, but...
I could buy more shampoo to just put in front of it. You won't be able to see it.
Well, only our closest friends see this anyway.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I've got this right above your head. Be careful.
That looks good.
Yeah, it's okay. Now I gotta make a big giant glop of it in these corners.
Just straight up holes. I can't believe it.
Just exactly how the pros would fix it.
Absolutely. Giant glop of silicone. Nice.
Yeah. Better.
Substantial, adequate, acceptable.
Good enough.
Good enough. It only took how many years to figure that out? 5.
Not the prettiest.
Find something new every day on this boat, huh? Let me get a shot of the final product.
Yeah.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe now we'll have a dry bilge. What is that? That's definitely not a boat shape I'm familiar with. Is that a porta potty on the back?
Canal control. This is solid O on 1. Yes, we're staying on Catamaran. We're right behind Tango, and we'll speed up and match their speed. We're hoping to catch that bridge as well.
Roger, Captain. Bring it right along.
Thank you very much.
These Cape Cod neighborhoods are something else. Look at that, it's like their cul-de-sac, but it's a little cove. Alright, we're exiting the canal now, and it's looking like we've got some sailable wind. It's just past 1 a.m. and we're pulling into Boston Harbor. I think we're supposed to get quite the storm later today, so we'll see how that goes.
Thunderstorm warning. Listen channel 22 Alpha, frequency 157.
I mean, we're within 1/8 of a mile from these strikes.
I don't like that.